Good morning, students. Chapter Statistics. Heading Graphical Representation. Graphical representation. First one is histogram. We already finished that portion. Then Ogive. We know that after drawing the ogive, we can estimate the median. What is the meaning median means? Median is the middle score of an observation. Median is the middle score. Write one question. All of you take your graph book and write down. Graph book and write down. The marks obtained by. This is a 6-mark question. Only one 6-mark question in this mathematics, that is this question. Understand? Here the first marking is 6 marks, then the second question contains 4 marks. Therefore, total 10 marks. This is the only 6-mark question. The marks obtained by, write down, the marks obtained by 200 students in an examination. The marks obtained by 200 students in an examination are given below. The marks obtained by 200 students in an examination are given below. Okay, you can write column wise 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. etc. 90 to 100. Write column wise 90 to 100. Okay, then number of students or F column, right? 5, 10, 11, 20, 27, 38, 40, 29, 14 and 6. Then below write down, or in the side column write, using graph paper draw an ogive. Using graph paper draw an ogive. First question number 1. Question number 1. Find the median. Second, the number of students who obtained more than 80% marks. Number of students who obtained more than 80% marks. Third part, the number of students who did not pass. The number of students who did not pass, if the pass percentage was 35. Pass percentage was 35. Very important question. Listen. What is the first column? Marks. Right. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, okay, 20 to 30. Write all that, etc. 90 to 100. Isn't it? Now, write F. 5, 10, 11, 20, 27, 38, 40, 29, 14, 6. This is F column. To draw the ogive, we need one more column. Can you say what is that? CF column. Very good. CF column. What is CF column? Below 10. How many students? 5 students. 5. Here we draw less than ogive. 2 types of ogives are there. One is less than ogive and the second one is greater than ogive. Here we always draw less than ogive. 5. Then what is the next one? 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 11, 26. 46. 73. 111. 151. 180. Isn't it? 194 plus 200. Here total frequency is 200. In the question itself it is given the marks obtained by 200 students. Therefore total frequency 200 and the last CF is also 200. If these two tally, then only the correct. Understand? Okay, then one more column. What is that? Plotting points. Plotting points. We plot upper limit and cumulative frequency. Upper limit and cumulative frequency. 10, 5, 20, 15, 30, 26, etc. Right. Last one, 100, 200. Actually, this is not compulsory. Understand? Plotting points. Now, take your graph book. Draw the x-axis. Then y-axis. Then mark x. And the next one is y. Then you can mark 0. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Equal width. Then only you will get correct answer. 1 centimeter width. Actually 2 centimeter means in between you leave some 1 point also. In the exam hall, you will provide a big graph paper. That means 0 here, then 2 centimeter. Actually, the width is 2 centimeter in that graph book. Okay. Then here the y column means total frequency, isn't it? We mark cumulative frequency. We mark cumulative frequency. Therefore, here you have to write along x-axis upper limit along x-axis and CF along y-axis. Not directly write 5, 15, 26, 46. Many of the students mark this CF directly. 5, 15, 26, 46. That is wrong. Take convenient scale. Here up to 200 means you can take 10. If it is possible, take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, do it. 110, 20, etc., 200. Etc., 200. Mark in your graph book. Okay, what is the first plotting point? Check the first plotting point. 10, 5. 0 to 10 means the smaller middle number is 5. You can mark 10, 5. This plotting is very important. The first plotting is 10, 5. That is very important. First plotting. That means here we show that we take upper limit and along the x-axis. And all we know that the lower limit is 0, isn't it? This is not correct. Therefore, first marking is very important. 10, 5. In between this 0 and 10, you can find 5. Okay. Then 20, 15. 20, 15. 30, 26. 40. Say the answer. 40, 46. 50, 73. 60, 111. Then 151. Plot the points. Then joining the points using freehand curve. Freehand curve. Okay. Plot the points and use freehand curve, mark the points. Then can you say what is the total frequency? Total frequency is 200. Then here write median is equal to n by 2th item. Median is equal to n by 2th item. That means 200 by 2. What is the answer? 100th item. 100th item. Then along this y-axis, mark the point 100. That is very important. 100. Then what's the next step? I already explained how to draw median. 100. Then draw a horizontal line or a line parallel to x-axis. That line will touches your ogive at a particular point. Then draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. That vertical line will touches your x-axis at a particular point. This is 57. Count the point. In between 50 and 60, you will get the answer. In between 50 and 60. Therefore, median is equal to 57. Okay. Median is equal to 57. Write the answer. Median equal to 57. Now, what is the next question? Number of students who obtain more than 80%. Number of students who obtained more than 80%. This is actually the graph. Understand? Now listen. Can you see the graph? This is the plotting. You will get an S curve. What is the first step to find the median? Mark the point 100. From that 100, draw a horizontal line. That line will touch us the ogive at a particular point. From that point, draw a vertical line that will touch us the x-axis at a particular point. Count that point. Therefore, this is median. Median is 57. I already explained that. Okay. Then what is the next part? Next part is number of students who got more than 80%. Look here, what is the method? Here in the x-axis we mark marks, isn't it? Marks. Therefore, mark the point 80 on that x-axis. Mark the point 80 on the x-axis. From that 80, draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. That line will touch us your ogive at a particular point. Then from that point, draw a horizontal line parallel to, you will reach the point 180. Check that, 180. Our question is, number of students who got more than 80%. This is the way. Once again listen, 80. Draw a vertical line. That line will touch us your ogive at a particular point. From that point, draw a horizontal line. That line will meet the y-axis at the point 180. Then number of students who got more than means total students is 200. Only this much students got more than 80. 200 minus 180. Right. 200 minus 180. What is that? 200 minus 180. That is 200 minus 180. That is 20 students got more than 80%. Okay. 20 students obtained more than 80%. Now one more part. Number of students who did not pass, if the pass percentage was 35, then what to do? Here this is, we plot marks, therefore mark the pass mark. 35 is the pass mark. Locate that point 35. From that 35, draw a vertical line. That vertical line will touch us the ogive at a particular point. Same procedure. From that, draw a horizontal line parallel to this x-axis. That line will touch us here. In between 20 and 40 means 30 is already there. Then in between this, you can count that 32, I think. 34. This is 30, 31, 32, 34, 36, 38. There were two. One small column means 2 division. That is 32, 34. Total. This is the number those who did not pass, isn't it? That means below that 34 students did not pass the examination. Right. 34 students did not pass the examination if the pass percentage was 35. Can you say how many students passed this examination? How many students passed this examination? Here this is 34. 34 failed. 200 appeared. Therefore 200 minus 34. 166 students passed the examination. And how many students got distinction? The distinction mark is 80. How many students got distinction means 80 above. 80 above. Suppose the question is find the number of students who got distinction means mark the point 80. 80 is the distinction mark. Therefore 20 students got distinction. Okay. Then median is important. Study well. Okay, bye. God bless you.